you're on a trip where you'll be moving around and switching locations, one of the obstacles in your planning is transportation, how to get where you're going. Japan's rail system is one of the best and most efficient in the world, but its size and scope can be intimidating until you actually explore it. So here's how to find your way from Tokyo to the Nakasendo Road on Japan's train system.
Well, today's the day that we are going from Tokyo to Kyoto on the bullet train. So from where we are, which is near the Daimon station, you go to the Hamamatsucho station upstairs at the World Trade Center office on the second, or we might even be on the third floor. And this is the travel office up here. So this is where you exchange your passes with your passport to get your 1 week pass. At the JR office, they give you little ticket holders that are handmade, folded origami ticket holders. This one's a little ninja. I think I'll take the ninja. Now the next step is to get on the train from Hamamatsucho to Shinagawa, and that's where we'll get on the Hikari Shinkansen to Nagoya. Now it's Shinagawa, where you transfer to the Shinkansen, and the signs are pretty clearly marked where to go to the bullet train. Not difficult so far.
It's a large, bustling station, but keep in mind that helpful JR employees are posted everywhere to help point you in the right direction.
After one final ticket check, we are headed to our track number 24 to Nagoya. When we booked our tickets on the Shinkansen, they give us the option to get reserved seats at no extra charge, and so we did that. And after seeing how packed these trains can be, I highly encourage you to do that if you take this train.
The Shinkansen has carried more than 10 billion passengers on its 1,700 miles of track since it opened in 1964. And although they've been clocked at speeds of up to 375 miles per hour, they cruise at a comfortable 200 miles per hour for passenger service. It's an eye-opening experience that left me with one question. Why can't we have nice things?
Wow. These bullet trains are so quiet and so smooth. And the world just zips right by. Ooh. Nice. Wow, that is my first look at Mount Fuji, and it is more amazing than I could have ever imagined. Beautiful.
It's a comfortable ride, similar to an airline, only with plenty of leg room and no seat belts. They're not necessary, because in 56 years of service, there has never been a fatality as a result of an accident on the bullet train system. In fact, there have only been 2 derailments during its entire history, neither producing injuries. High-quality food for individual purchase is served, and the focus is on comfort. The system is state-of-the-art.
This is awesome. They have, by American standards, the most modern of amenities. Look at this. This is the restroom. Press the button. It's just like being on Star Trek.
Bullet train. It takes a little over an hour and a half to get to Nagoya.
So to get to Nakasagawa, you have to transfer in Nagoya from the Shinkansen to a slower train, and it's a pretty quick switch. But we keep having these wow, that wasn't so hard moments. The thought of changing trains from the Shinkansen to a slower train to Nakasagawa, when we were doing our research, seemed like such a complicated thing, but when you're here, it really is simple. You just get off the train, go straight to the JR office, ask them where's the train to Nakasagawa, and boom, 3 minutes later you're standing on the platform.
The train ride from Nagoya to Nakasagawa is a picturesque hour and 20 minutes, and is more of a commuter train feel. On this train, you're able to get a sense of the rural area you're traveling to, as you pass by farms and small towns. Before we knew it, we'd arrived.
And here we are in Nakasagawa. It's that simple. Now we'll start our hike on the Nakasendo Road tomorrow morning.
Our hotel shuttle was waiting for us, and 20 minutes later, we were checking in.